Hi guys, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 online video lesson series. So now we are heading towards slideshow related options. So in this video tutorial we will learn how you can apply transitions to your slideshow or your slides. So it will how new slide will enter into your slideshow, how it will exit your slideshow, and we will see all the options related to slideshow. So let's see how you can do it. To apply a transition to your slide, first you will have to select that slide. So I am clicking on to this slide and go to this transitions ribbon where there is all kind of transitions available which you can apply to your slide. So here is none. Here it is fade. If you want to make your slide fade, then you can use this fade transition. This one is push. So let's apply this, and this push is applied to our current slide. Now there are effect options here. So from which side you want your slide to come, you can select it from here. I want my slide from top of the window, so I'm selecting this top option and it is applied to our slide. Likewise you can apply to this slide also. I want this slide to come from right side, so I'm selecting this push option, and once we have applied that transition we will be able to select this effect option as well. So I'm selecting from right. So it is applied now. But what if you want to apply to all the slides at once? So this apply to all button can be used to apply transition to all your slide at once, at one click. So I'm just clicking on to this apply to all button, and here you can see now transition is applied to all the slides. Here you can see is transition is applied to this slide or not. If this star is not visible, then there is no transition on this slide. So now let's see it in action. I'm just opening slideshow. We will also learn how you can open your slideshow and how you can do various things in further tutorials. So don't worry about that. Current slide is open. So I am clicking for next slide. So as you can see, all the slides are coming from right as I have set. So this way you can apply transitions to your presentation and make your presentation much better.